Hey guys, on this one, it's going to give you measurements for a triangle. You need to, if you were me, draw the triangle and then see if it comes out with the right numbers based on the Pythagorean theorem. If it doesn't come out the same, then your answer would be no, it's not a right triangle. If it does, then the answer is yes. So for those of you like still don't know what you're talking about, draw a triangle with a right angle, a right triangle as you would call it, right? Ha, right. Then we'll take the numbers they gave us. 9 is the smallest number, so that's obviously my smallest line. 12 is the next biggest one, and the diagonal is always the biggest, so it's going to be my 14. So this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C, right? Right? Get it? I did it again. Now, I don't know why it made that a triangle. I'm going to take A squared plus B squared equals C squared and see if it comes out with the correct number. So if A is 9, we're going to do 9 squared plus B, which is 12 squared, equals C, which is 14 squared. But I'm just going to leave it as C squared. At the end, my hope is that C equals 14. If it does, then my answer is yes, it is a right triangle. If the answer does not come out as 14 for C, then the answer is no, it wasn't. So 9 squared, use your cheat sheet, 81. Plus 12 squared, use your cheat sheet, 144. Equals C squared. We're checking to see if C is the same. Now, I'm going to take my 81 and my 144, and I'm just going to add them together because they're on the same side. I don't have to do the opposite because they're staying over here. This could just be put together. It's like saying I have a pile of 81 Skittles and a pile of 144 more Skittles. Why wouldn't I just put them into one big pile of 225 Skittles? And then I have C squared. If you've been watching any of these videos, you know that it says squared. So the opposite of squared is square root. So we're going to find the square root of both sides. And that will get rid of both of these because, again, let's just say C was 14, right? That's what we're hoping it is. 14 squared is 196. 196, then find the square root of that is 14. So why go forward just to go right back? So we're left with C equals, and then we need to find the square root of 225. Whoops, I hit the button twice. That is 15. So now, is 15 what they told me it should be? The answer is no. So what that really means is, let me see if I could try this. This 12 is fine, but it's more than 14. So it's actually going to be a little bit bigger based on the numbers they gave me. So C would actually have to be 15 to be square. So it's actually less than 90 degrees, this orange triangle, right? Because it's not quite long enough. So the answer would be no.